What YouTube, welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do affiliate marketing on Medium as a beginner using less saturated products. So in this video we are going to go over how to find these less saturated products so that you can rank on Google and get free traffic using Medium. I'll show you how to write a perfect Medium article that's going to rank on Google, and I'll also give you a perfect bonus if you stick around to the end so that you can even make more money if you want to use this method. So the first step you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find an affiliate product to promote. So for this example I'm going to be using this network called Kickstart. This is a network that has products that have affiliates promoting them, but they're not that saturated like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, where everybody is struggling to promote these known products. So for this example, we're going to be using a product known as Automatic Script. This is a copywriting software that can help you write copy for your sales pages and all that interesting stuff. So I'll leave a link to Pay Kickstart. It's free to sign up. You can just go over there, sign up, then you automatically be approved for some offers so that you can start promoting and generating leads and sales for your offers. So that's how you sign up. Then the next step, you're going to move on to find the sales page. So this is the sales page, and you can go over here to learn about what the product does and all that interesting stuff. Then you're gonna go ahead to the next step, which is to find if there is interest in this product. So we shall head over to Google Trends, inside the very keyword Automatic Script, and set the filters to only show web results, which is Google search, then and set the time to past 7 days. So this means we are seeing the interest of this keyword on Google in the past 7 days. So you can see here there is interest that people are really searching for this software, and that means people are making money selling this software. And on average you can expect to make about I think it's $37. I don't know, I'm not so sure. I haven't promoted this one in the web. I think it's let's see what the price is. Oh yeah, it's $39 per month. So you're gonna be getting recurring commissions per month. This is why I like Pay Kickstart over JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Some of those offers over on those networks are not good, so these are good offers. And the reason I know why this is a good offer is they have good customer support, and people on their Facebook page are crediting the software for being helpful, and they have good reviews on Reddit. That's another way you can check if the software is really good. You can head over to Reddit and Facebook to see if people are giving good opinions about the software. So the software is good. So this is an interest. So if you wanted to promote products on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, the competition on there is gonna be stiff because you're struggling with big affiliates who have been in the game for long, and you will not stand a chance to rank on Google. Once I discovered this, I decided to go over to these other networks where people are not that signed up for as affiliates. So Kickstart is another. So let me show you an example of what I mean, that these products from JVZoo don't have long-term value. So you can see this product is called Cindy Trio, and it's a product on JVZoo by Joshua Zamora. So I am an affiliate for this product, and I stopped promoting it because the traffic died out. So that means these products get a lot. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to past 12 months. So you can see there was interest last year for this product, and then it died out completely. So there is no interest. The interest may be there, but there may be less than 10 people, even 10 people a day that are searching, and all those search results are competing for those 10 people. So if we go back to the Automatic Script one, you can see that there is interest in this product over time. So what do we do? Simple. We're going to head over to Google, and we're going to be using Medium for this method. I'll show you what you need to do. So we're going to head over to Medium and type in site, put a column, medium.com, then paste in your target keyword. So our target keyword is going to be Automatic Script review. So you can see here there's nobody targeting this keyword. So that means if you wrote an article today targeting this keyword, and you know that there is interest, you're gonna get traffic. You're gonna get people buying through your link, and The vendor of this product is a very good vendor. He approves even newbie affiliates. So you go ahead and apply. Go ahead, get your link and write an article about automatic script review. So if we search for the very keyword, videos are ranking on the first page. That's good. Then there are also blog articles, and you can see here these are websites. These are normal websites, but you can see in the first top 10 results there is no Medium article. So if you write an article today targeting this very keyword and you have an affiliate link for automatic script, you're gonna be able to make sales. I guarantee you this works, and I've done it over and over again. So how do you write the article? Simple. You head over to Google, enter your target keyword, and look at the results that are ranking. You need to open up each of these results and do an analysis on the content length. Analyze how long these articles are. So I'm using a Chrome extension called Word Counter. You can download it, it's free. You don't need to pay for anything. So you can see that this article that's ranking on the first page is 2000 words, so that's not so scary. You will do the same for all these, and then you get an estimate of how much content you need to write. So if people on the first page on Google are having articles that are less than 1500 words, that will give you an edge over these people. So this website doesn't allow copying, but you can see this is not a long article. You can write something longer, even better than this. So and the most interesting thing about these search results is that let me first go back to the search results so that you can see what I mean. So you can see this 10th result is not even connected to the target keyword we are targeting, automatic script review. It's comparing automatic script and funnel script. So if you wrote an article that's specific to this keyword, you can easily outrank this website, and it will be bumped over to the second page and take over this position. That's how you know that this word is really low competition. You don't need to use any keyword tools. I'm showing you what you need to look out for. If Facebook pages are ranking, that's good. Then short content, then unrelated results, that is a very good keyword. You should target that one definitely. So how do you write the perfect Medium article? Simple. Head over to Medium, create an account. Once you have created an account, paste the target keyword in your title. So you can see my target keyword is automatic script review. Then I've added a few words like honest review. Then don't add dates in your title. Don't add dates. Keep your content evergreen so that people who find your article in 2022 can be able to use it and buy from your affiliate link. So don't add dates and keep your content evergreen. So you will need to add your target keyword in the first 100 words. So add your target keyword in the first 100 words. So you can see in this automatic script review, so I've added the target keyword so that Google knows that this article is targeting automatic script review. So then you continue typing blah 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 blah, like that, simple. Then you need to add the target keyword and other variations throughout the article. So you can see I have the variation of what is automatic script. So people on Google can search for what is automatic script in case they want to find out more. So you can start typing here. Automatic script is a software that does this and this, helps you write copy fast without having to hire copywriters, stuff like that. You can just read these articles that are already ranking on Google, get an idea what people are talking about, then rewrite that in your own words. It's that simple. You don't have to complicate it. Don't even try to copy, because if you copy what is ranking on those other websites, your article won't rank and Google will just abandon it. So ensure that you're writing all the content yourself and it's unique. So you can add other keywords or LSI keywords as they call them. I refer to them as variations. So to find these variations, it's simple. You only need to go to Google, search for that very keyword and scroll down to the bottom. These keywords, copy them like the way I'm doing so. Control C, then head over to your Medium article, paste them here, then remove the link because they're going to be linking back to Google. Remove the link, then talk about all these keywords. So you rank for these other keywords as well. So you rank for automatic script free, you rank for automatic script lifetime deal, you You just have to write a couple of paragraphs in each and every. This is how you make up for those 2000 words if you have nothing to write about. Then another good thing you need to do is you need to ensure that you are having an affiliate disclaimer in your article so that your article doesn't get your account doesn't get shut down and your article taken down. So how do you do this? You will need to go to your Medium article and link to a source. So you need to link out to other websites. So the best way you could do this without losing traffic is to link to an authority website. So you can link to Wikipedia. So you can have a word like copywriting, have a word like copywriting. Then you go over to Google and then search for copywriting Wikipedia. Then Wikipedia will always give definitions of these keywords. So what you need to do is click on the first one, copy this, and then go back to your Medium article, highlight this, and then link that. So Google knows, so that Medium knows that you're not just spamming your affiliate link. This is how I managed to rank affiliate articles on Medium without having to spam your affiliate link. So link to other websites. So you can link to Wikipedia. Don't link to affiliate website because just sending your traffic off the website of Medium. So link to Wikipedia or any other resource website. You can even link to the Google dictionary, anything like that. You don't have to complicate it. Then the other thing you need to do is you need to add a maximum of 3 affiliate links. If you can keep the links to under 3, then you're gonna be good to go. So the links must be added each and every after 500 or more words, so that Medium doesn't pick up that as spam or that you are just writing the article for the sake of promoting your affiliate links. So the other good thing that you should add in your article is a video. Videos are so good, and this brings us to the second method, which is to create a YouTube channel. Most people don't want to be on camera, but in this the video you're watching right now, I'm not on camera because I want you to focus on the content that I'm trying to share with you. So if we go over to vidIQ, it's free. You don't need to buy anything, it's free. And type in automatic script review. You can see that on YouTube there's 4,000 people each and every single month that are searching for this very keyword, and the videos that are ranking on YouTube are getting views each and every single day, and the competition is low. How do I know? Simple. Let's go over to YouTube and I show you what I mean. So this is I'm gonna show you a comparison between those products on JVZoo and those products on Pay Kickstart. So this is the Synditrio one that I mentioned in the start of this video, and you can see that the competition on this keywords is really fierce. These are huge channels. Anything above 10k subscribers is a huge channel. So if you are starting out and you have 0 subscribers, you can't compete with these big channels here like 18k, 52k. This guy has a course that teaches the lawn jacking method. His course is good, though it's expensive, and the methods are good. I recommend the course, though I don't recommend it because it's getting saturated. So what I'm showing you is the best way you can really make money for free without buying any courses. So this is a competitive keyword, so you stay away from this. Now let's look at the automatic script one and see what's ranking on the first page of YouTube. So you can see that the channels here, 3k, that's not scary, 930, that's not scary, and these channels are getting views each and every single day. So you can see this channel has 930 views. You starting out with 0 subscribers can compete with the channel that has 930 viewers. So that is the mentality you should be thinking about. Don't compete with channels that are over 10,000 subscribers. You don't stand a chance at all. Then what you need to do is you need to get a review copy from the vendor. You can message the vendor. So for automatic script, I messaged the vendor. I reached out to their support using the support here, the customer support, and I asked for a review copy. They don't have a review copy. You just have to buy the product. So how do you get around that? So what you need to do is to promote the product on Medium. Then create a video that talks about automatic script using the sales page. Just use the sales page. If you can't get a review copy or you don't have the money to purchase the software, just talk about the software using the sales page. Tell people about these frequently asked questions. Then make a simple video. You don't even need to be on camera. You can use your phone as a microphone to get started. Record your screen using a free software called I don't know what that software is called, but you can find plenty of them. They're free. Then at this point now, I'm gonna show you how to scale up and even make more money on as a bonus I promised in the beginning of this video. So this is my underground method that I use to promote affiliate products so that I can make commissions each and every single day. So it's called the evergreen method. So what's the evergreen method? What I do is I head over to the sales page of the product and I find out what problem it's solving. If I find out the problem it's solving, then I'm able to understand what kinds of keywords that people may be typing into Google, so that they can find a software or a tool that can solve their problem. So these people who need this software can be interested in something like copywriting software. So I'll head over to Google and look at the competition. So I'll type in best copywriting software. So you can see these are softwares. This article is talking about the best writing tools and software as a copywriter. So it's not that it's kind of on point, but it's similar but not on point. I hope you get what I mean. It's similar but not on point. The article that really is trying to get on point is this mouse beta one. So it's best copywriting software. Videos are ranking, of course, best copywriting, and the forum is ranking here. So this shows you that this keyword is a very low competition keyword. That if a forum is ranking here and you write an article targeting the best copywriting software, you can even outrank this forum and take up one of the top 5 positions on Google. I hope you understand the evergreen method. Find the software or a product that you want to promote, the problem it solves, then head over to Google and analyze the competition. You don't need any SEO tools. Just look at the competition. If you see any websites that you haven't heard of, so let me give you a clue in this very video so that you can, if you're gonna take action on this method. This website here, Meltmail, is a low authority website. I know this website because it's in my niche and I've analyzed a lot of websites. This website is a low competition website. If you write an article on Medium, you can bump out this low competition, this low authority website and take over its spot. So go ahead and take action on this method. If all of you decide to make the same article on this keyword, you're not gonna some of your articles will rank and others won't rank. So you need to go back to pay kickstart, find other products to promote. And how do you find them? Head over to the, I think it's the vendors. I haven't used this in a while. You find a lot of products here. There's drop more. You'll be automatically approved for some of these products. Just go back and use the same method I've talked about. Find interest, write an article, then you scale on from there. So that is it for this video, and that was the bonus, the evergreen method. You can go ahead and scale using that method. So you can see that there's no Medium article currently ranking for the best copywriting software. Go ahead and write an article using this keyword. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and